So we are going to be doing a lot of skip counting over these next couple of weeks. And skip counting is when you are counting by twos or counting by fives, counting by tens, because that's going to be really helpful as we move on into money and counting money here in a few weeks. We're also going to be working on counting up to 120 from any given number, not just from one, but maybe 27 or 94 or 3 or 50, because we want to be able to know the order of our numbers from any different spot. And especially as we start adding with bigger numbers, that's going to be really helpful. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do kind of a where are you counting on with our 120s chart. So I'm going to show you kind of how I want you to do it, and then there's going to be some that you're going to try on your own. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so we're going to be using a 120s chart. Now a 120s chart, I wonder if I can move my, nope, that's not what I want. Oh well, I guess I'll be right here in the corner blocking the numbers. Anyways, so what we're going to be using is a 120s chart, which is from 1 to 120. So if you guys don't already have one, print one out because these are really, really helpful, and we're going to be using a ton over the next few weeks. So we're going to start here on the number 5, which they've circled in red, and it wants us to count on or count forward 3 numbers. So they have us at 5. We jumped 1, 2, 3. All right, and we're going to count on 5, 6, 7, 8. So we landed on 8. So counting on 5, moving on, we got to 8. The next one, we're going to go backwards. So we're going to start at 26 and going to count back 4 numbers. 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. We land on 22. So it's kind of like adding and subtracting, but we're more counting. We're just counting on and counting backwards, okay? Here's the next one. Find the number 49, and we're going to count forward 5 numbers. So here we go. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Now, this might be kind of easy for us since we've been counting and counting and counting for so long, but it's really helpful that we're able to count from any given number, not just from one, right? Because it's a little trickier, so that's why we're giving it some good practice. All right, let's do one more. All right, find the number 61 and count back 3 numbers. So here we go. 61, 60, 59, 58. Okay, so that's going to be what you're doing on your seesaw activity here in a little bit, because we're going to be doing a lot of practice over the next couple of weeks, counting backwards from any number on our 120s chart. So again, make sure you have that printed out because you'll be using it quite a bit. If you don't have a printer, then just have it pulled up on your device so you can use it, because this is one of our very most important tools that we'll be using in math. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to have some ones for you guys to try on Seesaw, but I want to be able to show you this is what it's going to be looking like.